Hey guys, just wanted to show you, I guess, an unboxing video on these CosmicBrightz bike lights. Just got these for my daughter. We're in the middle of the winter right now, but got them for just a little Valentine's present to put on her bike and kind of get her excited for spring. So you can see they come in all different colors. This is the multicolor option. CosmicBrightz again. One light string in here. So let's see what's in the box. So we got obviously the bag. Open that up. And we got the light string itself. So you unwind and wrap this around wherever you want it. You can see on the box they got it up and down the frame and the tube on the bike. And then it's got the battery pack here. I believe, let's open it up and take a look. I believe it's AA. Yep, AA, 3 AA. And here, clips closed, and then this is clips on, is meant to, you can zip tie it, right? So you zip tie it through these arms here, attach it, or you can attach it with this strap here. I believe this goes around like so. Yep, so you can just strap it right around the tube on the bike. So haven't tried it, and then on and off switch. So pretty straightforward. Gonna put this on her bike and get her lit up at night, and I'm sure she'll love it. So, and then it's obviously got the instructions in here too if you need those. But I pretty much just showed you what to do. So anyway, hope that helps if you're thinking about it. It is pretty high quality, and I know the LEDs last a long time on a battery. So hope that helps. Thanks a lot. Bye.